English practice makes perfect.
Common mistakes in English. Incorrect. I want to eat an apple for lunch. Correct. I want to eat an apple for lunch. Incorrect. How long do you living here? Correct. How long have you been living here? Incorrect. Is no easy. Correct. It's not easy. Incorrect. I have 3 childs. Correct. I have 3 children. Incorrect. I'm agree. Correct. I agree. Incorrect. Do you like a coffee? Correct. Would you like a coffee? Incorrect. I go to work yesterday. Correct. I went to work yesterday. Incorrect. I'm looking forward to see you. Correct. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Incorrect. How I can call you? Correct. How can I call you? Incorrect. You are going to the bank? Correct. Are you going to the bank? Incorrect. I am good worker. Correct. I am a good worker. Incorrect. Go you to supermarket yesterday? Correct. Did you go to the supermarket yesterday?
Subscribe.
Incorrect. I have been living here since 2 years. Correct. I have been living here for 2 years. Incorrect. Where go you yesterday? Correct. Where did you go yesterday? Incorrect. How much cost? Correct. How much does it cost? Incorrect. I learning English. Correct. I am learning English. Incorrect. Can you borrow me $5? Correct. Can you lend me $5? Incorrect. I saw him at Monday. Correct. I saw him on Monday. Incorrect. I have an appointment in 4 o'clock. Correct. I have an appointment at 4 o'clock. Incorrect. Can you tell me where is the bank? Correct. Can you tell me where the bank is? Incorrect. I have visited New York last year. Correct. I visited New York last year. Incorrect. You should not to smoke. Correct. You should not smoke. Incorrect. I didn't meet nobody. Correct. I didn't meet anybody. Incorrect. How many childrens you have? Correct. How many children do you have?
Subscribe for more English practice. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.